Well, hey YouTube, we got some golden hour in the background here, which is nice. I finally uploaded my first YouTube vlog, which was super exciting. So much to learn when it comes to editing. Thank God for Google, seriously. But I'm excited for like every time after that to get hopefully a little bit easier. But it's already like you upload one and then you're like, oh my God, like it just, if you say you do like a week in the life, you kind of need to upload one, already be like starting to vlog the second one, so it's like a constant upload to kind of keep things flowing, if you know what I mean. But I'm so excited. I've had a lot of good feedback from my friends. They're super supportive, which is so nice, and hopefully we'll see where this YouTube channel goes. Alright, so driving to my friend's place in Middle Muscataba right now, which is, so from Nova Scotia, it's like way past the airport. Anyways, beautiful night to be driving. Also, I don't know if anyone else is like me, but driving down like a long, kind of windy, narrow road with like music blasting, it really kind of hits different. I feel like it's like a good opportunity to kind of like reflect on whatever's going on in life with you, or in the past, or maybe in the future. And it's so beautiful, nice out. It's finally, I think, fall. I don't know the certain date in Nova Scotia or Canada, but it's like that kind of cool, crisp air right now, and I'm here for it. We didn't have a really nice summer here, unfortunately, which consisted of a lot of rain here in Nova Scotia. But that doesn't mean we're not going to have a good fall, which I'm excited about. Early, and I look like very tired. I'm just heading into the gym, and then we most definitely need a coffee. I just drove past McDonald's, and that is definitely on my stop on the way back. McDonald's coffee just, it hits different. I really like it. It's funny because like we have an espresso at home, and it's so good, so good. But sometimes McDonald's coffee is just, it's a must. I have been told that McDonald's coffee used to be the Tim's, or Tim's used to be McDonald's or something, but anyways. All right, today on the agenda, we have gym. Jesse and I are going to Costco after. I'm going to look at some homework, hopefully, and then I work at 12, and then we're going to his parents for dinner. So follow along on this sunny Sunday day of activities. Workout is complete. I'm trying to focus a little bit more on cardio lately, and with that comes running. Running is a serious love-hate relationship. It's like so rewarding, and it's like something you can do inside or outside. This is really annoying, sorry. But if you don't keep up with it, you lose it so fast, and it's so discouraging. And also it's like one day you can run like pretty far, whatever your far is. For me, that the other day was 6 kilometers without stopping, which I was very proud of myself for. And then today, I'm like hustling to get 3 kilometers. Like, good days and bad days when it comes to running. let me tell you. But whatever, I got it done. I am on my way to go get that coffee from McDonald's, which I'm very excited for. Hi, could I get a medium coffee with 1 milk and 1 cream?
Yeah, anything else?
No, that's it, thank you.
You're welcome.
Cute. How's the workout? Tell the people. They want to know.
Not a lot, wasn't the best. Good Life friggin' doesn't accept your tags anymore.
What?
Or if you don't have your tag, they don't accept you unless you have a license.
So what'd you do?
So I just went for a run. Like in the Sobeys parking lot.
No, you didn't.
Well, I ran past the Sobeys parking lot. It was a good run, but not what I expected.
You're not even in it, Marco.
What about Katie?
Marco? We're going for a little drive?
Oh boy. Oh boy. Good bud.
Okay, I'm vlogging on my phone, but I never know where to look. Like, it's so like distracting to not look at yourself, but at the same time, you always want to look at the camera, which is to the left right now. And it's a weird concept. I hope one day I'm able to get a vlogging camera, which those are so cool. But again, they have like the flip up thing, so you can see yourself, but it kind of distracts you to where you put your eyes. And I'm like on a good day bad with like eye contact with people. So this is a whole new concept of like talking to absolutely no one, aka you guys, but the vlog, and looking right at the camera. Also, I think I said in a previous clip that I was excited for fall, and it truly feels like fall. Like our place at home, we as in I really like to have the windows open, but this morning and today, holy guacamole, those windows needed to be shut and the heat was cranked just an itty bitty amount, but we'll see if that needs to get turned off. The thing I like about the fall / like winter is the bedroom being cold and you being like bundled up like a cinnamon bun in bed. Whenever I think of that, I think of oh my god, what is it called? Simpsons, Homer in bed, and there's like this meme or something about Toasty's the cinnamon bun in bed.
I'm just a big toasty cinnamon bun. I never want to leave this bed.
Well, hi! Another day, another gym session done, and that means I died on the treadmill 100%. I swear it's all about the music. It was half decent, but I know I was also wearing this sweater, which wasn't helping my case because I was sweating. But anyways, finished her, and now I'm gonna go home and make a din seas. Jesse and I are all about like the harvest bowl, power bowl things, whatever you want to call them lately. it's like either like a green or rice is your base with some protein and like veggies, and we really like goat cheese and like balsamic glaze and stuff. So excited about that. And in also exciting news, we got these water bottles from Costco the other day. Okay, this person is driving really freaking slow in front of me. Like, we are going 17 kilometers an hour. We need to pick it up. Let's go. I'm about to give this person a little honk. Oh my goodness. This is like illegal. Like, it's dangerous if you drive too slow, and it's dangerous if you drive too fast. Anyways, these water bottles. The thermo flask, they are definitely worth the hype. The only thing that sucks is it doesn't fit in the car cup holder. But it's like this little twist top, and that stays on, which is nice. And it has a little handle. So I'm here for it. Let's go see the wedding venue. In the car talking, but it's kind of a time to multitask slash get things done slash get places, if you know what I mean. Anyways, this is a super exciting time. Yes, as in like, I don't know, a little bit bittersweet, but I'm on my way to go meet my parents' new dog. Her name is Olive. She has come from a rescue organization from Texas. She's definitely some pity in her. She just arrived yesterday, and she's a little thin, maybe a little bit older than they kind of originally told us, which is a little unfortunate, but it is what it is. And the reason why I say it's a little bittersweet is the reason why we're even getting another dog is because my parents' dog passed away and unfortunately got hit by a car back in August. And I feel like if I dive in, into this any further, I will cry. So I'm just going to leave it at that. Olive kiss. Hi, cutie. Oh, hi.
She's okay. She's okay. Yes, she's okay. Yes, she's okay, love. Yes.
She finally realized that she could jump.
Oh, so she figured it out. So now she knows that she can jump
Yeah,
in bed.
yeah, she jumped.
Yeah. Does she know not to pee in the house yet, or does she still pee in the...
No, I think she had one mistake when she...